Is your relationship in crisis? The following is a message for anyone whose relationship is on the edge of disaster, or anyone who wants to rebuild trust, intimacy and closeness with their partner, but simply doesn't know how to do this or where to turn for help. Hi, my name is Alastair Duhs. I am a relationship counsellor with over 20 years' experience helping couples rebuild their relationships and create the happy, healthy and loving relationship that everyone deserves to have. To begin with, however, let's address the main problem you face right now. This problem is that you don't know how to help your relationship, and you don't know if something like relationship counselling will even begin to help you. But that's not the end of your problem. It actually gets worse. Why? Because even if you have decided that you need relationship counselling, you can't know in advance which relationship counsellor to see, or if the one you choose will be a good match for you. For many people, this means that they can get lost in a sea of choices and never take any action to help their relationship. This means that their relationships often either gradually fall apart beyond the point of no return, or just remain the same until one partner eventually calls it a day. But luckily for you, there's now an easy solution to your problem. So if your relationship is in crisis, or you simply want to build greater levels of closeness and intimacy with your partner, but don't know where to start, here's the solution you've been looking for. Introducing Relationship Counselling with Alastair Duhs. Relationship Counselling with Alastair Duhs will help you stop the conflict, fights and arguments that have been destroying your relationship for years. Learn the communication skills you need so that you and your partner can talk about anything without anger, abuse or arguments. Overcome the effects of an affair or infidelity and start to rebuild trust again. Rekindle the romance that may have left your relationship many years ago. Develop the closeness and intimacy that you really want with your partner, and much, much more. And best of all, you'll start seeing results from relationship counselling with Alastair Duhs in as little as 2 to 3 counselling sessions, and for a fraction of the cost that ongoing relationship problems will cost you. So again, if your relationship is in crisis, or if you want to rebuild trust, intimacy and closeness in your relationship, understand this. The sooner you begin relationship counselling, the sooner you can start having the happy, healthy and loving relationship that you really want. There is no point wasting time having a poor relationship with your partner and not even trying to create the relationship you really want to have. In as little as 2 to 3 counselling sessions, you can start having a happier, healthier and more loving relationship. Act now before it's too late. Click the button below to book Relationship Counselling with Alastair Duhs, or book a free 15-minute phone call with myself now. Take action now. I look forward to talking with you soon.